Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In this video I just want to give you a little preview of what our Neomorphism calculator looks like, because I'll be posting a tutorial on how to build this calculator a little later today. But right now I'm just going to give you a little preview to show you what it looks like. So it's just like any ordinary calculator, except now it's all white, and I gave the screen input a little shadow to make it look 3D. And basically everything is white with box shadows. That's all there is, and I even gave my button some hover property, and that's pretty much all I did to my calculator. So, and it also works. So 1 plus 1 equals 2 times 5 equals 10, 10.5 minus 6. Yep, see, every key is working just fine. So this calculator is working, which is great. So yeah, I just wanted to show that to you guys, because I'll be posting a tutorial later today, on how to build this calculator, so stay tuned for that. It's coming very soon. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you later today.